So hey, hope you are doing well. In today's video, we are discussing about our new project, new concept inside the React.js, that is error boundary concept. How and when we need to implement error boundary concept. So we have created a small project as we saw here. It's a normal structure of project, and here uh, uh, this is a folder for src. Inside this we have a component. Inside component we have three component basically, which we have used to show how error boundary will work. So the error boundary concept will work when the unexpected behavior or at some point our react code for any component code for any component gonna break because of due to some lack of data or some any unexpected behavior thing happen at runtime. So we don't want to show a blank screen or red screen with the error to the user. So what we can do, we can create our own dynamic screen for the handling the error, and if we face any error we can throw the error proper error message to that uh, our dynamic error screen. So what we have done in this project, we have a app.js. This is the main file from where we can introduce our all the components. So we have the user list, and we have wrapped this user list component with the error boundary things. Okay, so let's go first move to the user list, and then we come back to the error boundary component. Okay, so in the user list, what we have done, we have a sample one empty uh, one user details. Okay, in which we have username, email. What we have done, we have apply a map. So iterate over this array and show the data. So for displaying data, we have used a card, user card. Inside that, we are trying to creating a card, and inside every card, we are just displaying the name of user and email of user. Here we have throw an error if user is not present. Then what we can throw data no data not fetched. Okay, so if I go to the screen and refresh my screen, it will throw exactly that message which is we have thrown on here. So what we can do, this is this condition we have implemented here only for to show how our screen will look like. The exact condition will be like that: if user is not present, then we need to show; if user is present, then we need to show the uh, details of user with the card. What will happen if I refresh? So here one card will be created, and the details related to that user will be shown inside the card. Okay, so when at any moment of time, that make it uh, empty and or null. Like we have called API, and from the backend we get API get failed, and our data user list not able to fetch, and at that time it will be null. At moment of time null, what we expected, it will throw an error like either a reading dot map is will be only applied over the array. So it should be always an array. Okay, so it will give the same error whatever we have shown in dynamically inside our throw message, or it will show exact message as we saw here. If we change the type to null or make it object empty object, it will throw the exact error like dot map is user dot map is not equals here. This is the exact error. Okay, so second thing, let me revert it to array of details of the user details. Now let's move to the error boundary. Inside error boundary, this will be the a class based component. Here constructor will be created. Inside this, we have using this error object error state, and has error occur or not. If this will be using this true or false, what we will decide whether we need to show these all the cards or not. If it's true, then we need to show. And here inside this, we have a one button, one title. This button is we have to try again. Like if user face any issue, we have given a button, so user can refresh again and call the API like that. Here, this is the message we throw from user card. This message data not fetch for user list will be shown exactly inside this dot state dot error dot message. Inside the message we throw we are getting a catch that message which is thrown from this mess here.